Hello guys, so it's been a long time, but today I'm going to try to make a Philly cheesesteak. Now keep in mind this is my first time, so it's most likely not going to be perfect. Anyways, here's the video. First, place a bell pepper on a cutting board and take the top off because we don't need the stem. Then place it on its side and cut it in half so that we can remove the center. Now place halves of the bell pepper on the side and slice into thick slices. Once you're done slicing, transfer it into a bowl and take it away so we can slice the next thing. Now I have more experience with yellow onion, so I kind of messed up on this one, but take a peeled onion and cut it in half. Putting it on its sliced half side, you're actually supposed to cut through the bottom, but I cut on the side because this was a little confusing considering it's the first time using a red onion. If you accidentally do this, no worries, just separate the peeled slices from the center. Transfer that to a bowl as well. Using a relatively small steak, try to slice it into thin slices, and you need to use a really sharp knife for this, so I had to switch out knives in the middle of the recording. Your slices should look about as thin as this. Next, transfer that to a bowl so that we can season it. Due to the small amount of steak, add 1 teaspoon of salt and a shake of pepper. Using clean hands, mix the seasonings in so it's spread evenly, or you can toss it around, though I think mixing it with your hands is probably more effective. On medium heat, add some cooking oil and spread it around in your pan by tilting it. Once the pan is hot enough, add your onions in and stir them well inside of the pan. I cooked for about 4 minutes, but that seems too much, so you should probably just do 2. 2 is the medium anyways. And yes, the times are all for medium heat. After 2 minutes of stir frying, turn off the heat and transfer the onions to a plate. Turn the heat back on and re-oil the pan. This time we'll be cooking the steak. On medium heat, place your steak strips in the pan. And for the first minute, begin stir frying it. After some experience from my recent steak video, I would say probably cook for about 4 minutes until it's around well done. Before that, after 1 minute of stirring, add bell peppers to the side of the pan. You should also push your meat to the side of the pan so it doesn't get mixed up yet, and stir fry the bell peppers too. Start mixing in with the bell peppers and the steak after 2 minutes, and stir fry both of them until the steak is well done. Once you're done, turn off the heat and transfer to a plate. The cheese sauce is quite simple, so first you want to place 2 slices of your desired cheese in the cup, and you want to add not too much milk to it and make sure it's a high fat percentage. Microwave and stir with a spoon. If it's not cheesy enough, you can probably just add an extra slice of cheese. Now if it's not thick enough, you probably added too low of a fat percentage of milk. After mixing and microwaving your last slice of cheese, it should be good enough. To assemble, slice 2 halves of a hoagie bun, add your steak and bell peppers, add a decent amount of onions as well, and finally drizzle on your cheese sauce. Hey everybody, so got my pretty nice looking Philly cheesesteak over here, and I'm gonna be trying it. And yeah, let's have a taste test. Ooh. Love the cheese flavor, and the steak is actually juicy, pretty good. Though I probably cooked the onions a little less. Overall, not bad. I'd give it 8.9 out of 10 in my opinion. Anyways, see you guys next time, and let's hope I can hit 100 subs by the summer.